How to get a business loan for your gym or fitness center. If you own a gym or fitness facility, you know how important it is to keep your space up to date. From purchasing new treadmills and strength equipment to hiring trainers and launching new classes, the expenses never stop. And with competition growing in the fitness industry, waiting weeks for financing can mean missing opportunities to grow your membership base. Now, our team works as independent brokers, connecting small businesses with the right funding solutions. We are not part of David Allen Capital, but we choose to work with them because they consistently provide fast approvals and competitive offers tailored to fitness businesses. Here's how they help. David Allen Capital works with a network of lenders to find your best deal. Many applications are approved the same day, with funding in as little as 24 to 48 hours. That means you can expand your classes, replace aging equipment, or open an additional location without financial delays holding you back. What makes DAC stand out is their $500 meet or beat guarantee. If you apply with them and another lender gives you a better deal, DAC will match it or give you $500 in cash. It's a strong promise and they've never had to pay it because their offers are that competitive. If your gym has been open at least 6 months with steady monthly revenue and clean bank statements, there's a good chance you'll qualify, even with average credit. So, if you're ready to take your fitness business to the next level, click on the link below in the description, watch the founder's message, and apply today to see if you can secure funding in just 1 to 2 business days. Good luck!